Wait, Omar, where are you going, bro?
There's a... Oh, I don't know. I was following the path.
You gotta go up the mountain, bro.
Oh.
You gotta go this way. You're going the completely opposite direction.
I'm coming. Oh, let's do this then. Oh, shoot, you're right. Let's go that way then.
Yeah, just don't hit any trees. If you gotta slow down a little bit. Just so you don't hit anything.
Please shift click on your map.
Oh.
There's landmines.
Real?
Yeah.
Eh. Let's go.
Oh, there's another landmine. Yeah, just go slow right here on the side of the mountain. My legs.
Oh, buddy! Fuck.
Bro, Omar driving this bus. That's who. We flipped in the exact same spot, Omar. Don't even trip. This was the exact same. There's our ATV that flipped. Yep.
I think there
Okay,
might
right
be
here's it, right here's
24 enemies on this
They're
base.
shooting us.
Right. Jacob, are you here?
Coming.
Get knocked up over here.
Getting knocked up.
Yo. Who's behind me?
I'm taking them home and
Oh, they're here. I'm so dead. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you can go another down, but if you find yourself down, let you know. Okay. No, make it easy on me, and that's it. For sure. Okay. Next somewhere, and then you might need to go for us.
Got 3 of them.
There's 3 of them on me right now.
Love you.
Nice shot.
I love you.
ice cream.
They're in the smoke.
Uh,
No, don't shoot him! Oh, you fucking...
Oh, my bad. I didn't know he was. I didn't know. I didn't know. How was I supposed to know, Jacob?
His hands up!
All I saw was his head.
Go
Again.
and take the
Sniped at.
outpost.
Plane.
Paratrooper.
Paratroopers, paratroopers.
What?
Bruh. What the hell is that?
Who's over here jogging in the woods? Oh, they're messing on nobody.
What is that thing?
Your vehicle.
Wait, guys, there's a bunch of riflemen.
Jacob, get down. Jacob, get down. That's an attack helicopter. Okay, just wait. Okay, just wait for it. Okay, it's coming back, Jacob. It's coming back. Get yours out. I got mine out. Oh, big shot. No! Come on!
What happened? You died?
I'm on the floor. I haven't gotten killed yet, but I'm
You're gonna.
unconscious.
You're basically dead. If you want, I have an ATV over here, or you know,
Where are you?
four wheeler. At the resource.
All right, I'm on my way. Let me respawn. Jacob, you want me to respawn or what?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
I got the sniper in the tower.
Crisis is such a good game. See, now you see the game's pretty good, right? Now you see it's a pretty good game. You're like, no, it's boring.
No. What the fuck? Dead.
Fuck Richard. Jacob died as well. You have an
Your
ATV
anti-air out.
Four wheeler. I mean,
four wheeler. Okay, put that back in the garage. We're taking something else up there.
Waiting for the fucking helicopter. Where'd it go? Come on.
Jesus.
Come on.
Okay, I'm here.
oh, see him.
Going?
There you go. Alright, we in. Let's go.
I'm not in.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Bro, if this was a car in real life, I would 100% buy this. This looks clean as hell.
This is called a Honda Civic hatchback sport.
Oh. This is nice.
This is nice.
Look at the middle. Kind of reminds you of a Tesla the way it splits like that.
I can't look at the middle right now.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm in the middle of the road.
Good one. Oh! What the freak? Hello? The game just crashed?
Christian, you owe me like 60 push-ups.
Sheesh.
I've been doing mine.
All right, that's fine. That's fine.
What the fuck? Why am I having a literal stroke?
What's going on?
Walk up with robots.
Omar, stay in the car.
I'm scared.
I see it. Oh, Jacob, you got a clearing behind us right here. Oh, he's gone. All right, let's go.
I ain't doing
Okay,
anything.
we're gonna
until
leave
I
you,
shoot the thing down.
All right, we're leaving you, Jacob. Come on, man. What was that?
Fine.
What was that?
Nothing. Might have
Was
exploded.
that the helicopter? Did you explode?
I exploded. But I'm fine.
Okay. Okay. All right. We're gonna keep going.
Waiting for this helicopter to come back.
Oop. Okay. Well, we're here, Omar. Get out.
Do this. Oh, the
Run.
car. Oh, the car's motion.
What the fuck? Why is my...
We got this in the bag. Let the Gucci bag. Gonna kill some UCMC.
USMC.
Hold on, I'm just gonna RPG my. I'm gonna RPG him.
What?
Got him!
Just started.
Bitch!
I'm
Got
gonna.
him?
Fuck you!
Oh, nice.
Oh my
Omar,
god,
be
there's another
careful,
one.
You're gonna get sniped.
Oh
Don't get
shoot.
Sniped.
Should I hit the top the tower?
No. Don't shoot the tower.
Oh, that actually destroys it.
Yeah.
Bless
We
you.
don't want to destroy the tower. Thank you. All right, let's go.
Hope you guys are
Why am
having
I still
fun.
losing blood?
Oh, I see a mine.
got- Bro, you're kidding
Okay,
me.
guy at the tower.
I actually saw the mine.
You saw it?
Yeah. If I look
Did you
at
die
it,
to it?
then a red triangle appears in my vision.
Mm. Watch out! I hear voices.
I see him. I see him. I'm gonna shoot that. I'm shooting him through the window.
Oh God, Omar's. Oh God, Omar.
He has to be dead.
Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back here! Come back here! He's right there. Run! 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 Oh my gosh, Omar. Oh, switch your pistol. Switch your pistol.
I don't have any pistol ammo.
Oh my Omar, you came unprepared. Throw a grenade. Do something.
I don't. Actually, maybe I
Where
have
are you
grenades.
guys?
Jacob, we need your help, man.
We're
That's
here.
you, okay.
I'm losing a lot of blood, actually. Hold on. Let me see. Do I
Yeah,
got?
heal yourself. Heal yourself.
Damn. How do I do that?
Got one.
Jesus. Come on.
Big
Oh,
blood
he's
pools.
surrendered. He's surrendered. He's surrendered.
Oh, that's my boy. That's my guy.
Okay, let me check on my Twitch chat because I haven't looked over it yet.
Oh, I can loot him, right?
Yeah, you can loot them. They've surrendered. Just don't shoot them.
Cool. Hey, bro, bring that crate over here.
I think I got him.
I died. No way. Of
From
what?
From what?
No, nothing. I just passed out.
Oh, you
I
lost too much blood, probably. No, he's in the freaking shack.
I shot the shack. I blew up the shack.
He's in another shack.
Oh, there's another shack. Damn.
There's another shack. It's made out of metal right next to the flag. And he's in there. Oh my
Shoot.
gosh.
I'm not dead. I'm just sleeping. Hold on. Hold on. We got this, guys. Jacob, where you at, bro?
I see the flag.
Okay, be careful because there's a guy. There's a guy
Oh, I
there.
see him.
Yep. Shot me through the window
Gonna have to
'cause I
shoot
didn't
him.
know he was
I'll
there.
get him.
You take that radio tower, I'll teleport there. And I'll put men on there.
I will do my best, soldier.
I'm waiting at Petros.
I got the guy in the shack.
Omar injured.
Lumber. I'm laying on the floor. Someone can pick me up.
I got you. Once Jacob takes the flag, I'll pick him up.
Cool see those. So,
Taking it. You ready?
Okay. Okay, I'm getting ready. HQ management, managed garrisons.
Okay.
oh, cool, we did it!
Okay, don't freak out. There's people spawning in.
I'm not even alive.
Yo! We did it.
Quick, can someone pick me up?
Where are you?
I'm laying on the side of the mountain where me and Christian were
yeah.
fighting.
A lot of launchers over here.
I see the light.
I see the light.
CPR.
Get him before he dies.
Lost a fatal amount of blood.
Okay, I'll give him a blood transfusion. Just patch him up as best as you can.
I'm O blood and special.
Literally can't catch him.
You can't patch him up?
It's a lost cause.
No, I can do a blood transfusion. Just hold on. Okay, I'm here.
Oh, I died.
You died? Oh,
Yeah, I just died.
damn.
You were an
Alright,
angel,
just-
weren't you?
God aimed a gun at my face.
You didn't revive him. You just
Hold on, but you guys, I can teleport there. Actually, I'm so dumb.
Yeah, you can now.
Good. I shouldn't have tried to.
So much loot around here. Holy shit.
What? What?
Look inside the metal shed next time you have a chance.
Alright, alright. I'm going back. Going in the shed. Oh my gosh. So, okay, you want to know who did all of this?
I did.
No.
I threw a grenade in there and it got 5
No,
kills
no, no,
on
no.
top.
Omar shot this building with a rocket launcher.
Yeah, I also threw a grenade in there before him.
I know, but there was one guy left in there. That's the guy that killed me. Omar shot an RPG round at this building. I had that shit on video, bro. That's just so funny. He shot it and then started screaming and ran away. You think they're gonna revolt? Like they're gonna come back?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Does my face look like I'm kidding? There's like 3 surrendered people out here in the woods.
Oh my fucking sniper rifle.
5 people surrendered in the woods.
Look at my whip. Jeez. That's pretty cool.
What?
It's been a really cool gun.
You mean we found it? They're pretty cool. Oh my gosh. So many loot crates.
Oh my god.
Everybody just decided to surrender as soon as they set foot up here. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah, this scope has 2 different scopes on it.
Yeah, you can hold control and then right click and you can switch between the 2.
Yes. This is what we did.
Short and long range.
I think we've officially made it at the hood.
We need the Oh, dude, and the night vision goggles work with the laser too. Okay, yeah. Yeah, no, this shit hard. So go in here, activate night vision because you kind of see it, and then if you have a laser on the side of your thing,
Press L, right?
yeah,
See it.
yeah. Come right here. You can see it better here.
Make sure I actually have it on. I have RIS. Do you think that's not lazy?
I
Probably infrared
have
laser or something.
I have the Perst 1IK RIS.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try out the ANPEQ 16A.
I'm gonna save my loadout real quick. Kinda sniper.
Let me try out the other night vision as well.
Look, I think that now we have that air base with the airplanes and everything, we can easily take out the southern air base too.
Yeah, definitely. Honestly, we could just go in with cars with like
With the
rocket
tanks.
launchers back. 'Cause
Yeah,
we don't
we're
necessarily
pretty
need-
much kitted out.
I can't fucking see. Oh my god.
All right, and we're here.
There's gonna be police around.
Don't even let them get close.
Got through him.
Five minutes.
Or F.
Hopefully we'll be gone by then.
Well, we're gonna have to fight him off. I want this town.
Facts.
I got 4 of them, so that's probably all.
Maybe.
Oh,
No, it's not.
so.
Oh, behind you, behind you, behind you. Two of them. There's 2 of them. I reset the timer.
Got him. God damn it.
Okay, watch the woods up here. I'll watch the town this way.
How'd they all miss me? They normally have really good aim.
Bro. I don't know, bro. Like the GPS?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, stay right here. Stay right here. I'm going home.
Him rep.
Uh-oh. Not only that, Motor Guy is not a part of us yet. Oh, there it is. That was easy. Okay. There's an MRAP and an APC, and they're both like on the outskirts of the city right now. Oh lord. Okay. Load. Okay. I'm going back. See if I still can. Okay. I'm teleporting back. I have a launcher. I'm looking at the MRAP. We definitely just lost a missile because I missed. And the MRAP is still standing.
Okay.
I am about to poop my pants.
Just gonna have to throw grenades at it.
Massive bleeding. 15 large avulsions. Yeah, no, you're dead, bro. I'm sorry. There's no reviving you. What was that?
I see it. It in fact did not leave. Anyone in it?
I don't know.
Looks like there's no one in it.
Okay, some of them surrendered.
At least no one in the gunner.
Okay, so that's why it wasn't shooting at us.
Oh, that's moving. Well, I hit it.
Well, I heard it.
Driving into town.
Was that you driving the damn van?
You
I
can't
was
shoot
like,
me if I'm reversing into him.
That's it. I think that's it, right? Motor got lost about 6 people.
All of them, right? You can only put 6 people on here.
No, I put 14.
Oh. Let's see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Kill it. Kill it now.
I can. But it only takes 2 rockets. Nope. Good to me.
Yep. Usually that second explosion means it's dead. I sent my my AI. That's what he does. Is that to send the AI to the house with 2 loot crates? See how he does. You know, we could have taken the breaching charges.
I don't think we have.
Oh lord.
Enemies over here.
Enemies?
Just coming in by. Pretty close.